So here we have the machine, cable, rope, front, whatever, raise. He's lifting weights.
Something raised.
Trying to get the anterior deltoid, front part of the shoulder, that rounded part here going. So go ahead and pull through that muscle, right? BroScience way, just lifting up, putting the weight on to where he feels comfortable. He's looking at a staggeringly heavy 15 pounds right now. But nonetheless, go ahead and do it again. He's getting the movement down. He's going from A to B. But what he's not doing is actually engaging that anterior or that front deltoid as much as he should be or is trying to be. To do it the proper way, pull those shoulders back, brace that shoulder blade, hold it down, and actually focus on the muscle you're trying to lift. Do it again. Here, you can actually probably see a little bit more of the striations or the definition of his shoulder muscle working a little bit harder because it's lifting more of the weight. So even though the staggering 15 pounds is still the same amount of weight, you can actually see more muscle fiber recruitment in the actual anterior shoulder here, or deltoid. So it feels a little bit better, I assume, too, right?
Feels really good.
Yeah. Feels better to lift correctly versus the wrong way.
They both hurt.
Hey, you look good, man.
Thank you. I appreciate it. Means a lot.